Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Open Shells stitch pattern. For this tutorial, you'll need to know how to do a treble crochet. Not sure where my brain went with that. But to get started, you will need to chain multiples of 4 plus 2. So for this tutorial, I'm going to do a quick 16 chains plus 2 for a total of 18. And just like always, we have Yuki joining us to make sure our quality of work is up to her standards. Alright, so now that we have our 18 chains to begin, we want to chain 3. And we want to work 2 treble crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. Alright, so 1 treble crochet. 2 treble crochets, then we will chain 2, and in the next stitch we're going to work 2 treble crochets. Alrighty, then we will skip 2 chains and work 2 treble crochets in the same chain stitch, and this is how our repeat starts. So it's going to be 2 treble crochets in 1 stitch, chain 2, 2 treble crochets into the next stitch, and skip 2. And we'll repeat this till the end of the row. So we're going to skip our 2, we're going to work 2 treble crochets, chain 2, work 2 treble crochets into the next stitch, skip 2, work 2 treble crochets into the next stitch. Now the foundation part, which is what we're doing right now, requires you to count, but once you actually start row 2 will be your repeat for the whole entire project. So however size you want to make it, it gets super easy on the next row, but it keeps with the same concept of doing 2 treble crochets in let's try that again. Doing 2 treble crochets, chaining 2, and working 2 more treble crochets. And you'll see once I'm done with this last 2 treble crochets that when I lay this out, my work is a little bit curved. That's because when I do my foundation chain, sometimes I do my stitches a little too tight and it works into a curve. Now if you have this issue, it's no big deal. It'll straighten itself out the more you create your work. So to start row 2, and for every row after this, you're going to chain 3. And in that chain 2 space from the previous row, we're going to do our repeat. So 2 treble crochets, chain 2, 2 treble crochets, all in the same spot. Easy, right? So let's do it again. So make sure that we're doing it in the chain 2 spot and not the connecting area, but you'll kind of see the difference. So in that area, we're going to do 2 treble crochets, chain 2, 2 treble crochets in the same spot. Again, in the chain 2 space, 2 treble crochets, chain 2, 2 treble crochets, and we just repeat this through the whole entire project. I love how this pattern works. It's one of those ones that you could definitely sit on the couch and watch something while you crochet, and more than likely you won't have to think too hard with it. I do love zoning out watching TV while I crochet. So here we are finishing our last 2 treble crochets. And you'll just repeat this until your size. You just want to make sure when you go up to the next level that you do your chain 3. And you kind of see how the patterns ends up turning out as you make it bigger. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.